I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishirganj. Dear learners, in last class I have discussed some rules complex to simple. I hope you have practiced the rules in your free time. So, today I shall discuss the rest or remaining rules of the complex to simple. Complex to simple. Dear learners, look at the complex sentence. It is a complex sentence. If any complex sentence there is so adjective that you have to write to instead of so plus adjective, then you have to write to instead of that to not. Dear learners, now you see the answer. This is a simple sentence. I hope you have understand the example. Let's give another example. Dear learners, the man is so dishonest that he cannot speak the truth. লোকটা এতই অসৎ যে সে সত্য কথাটা বলতে পারবো না. How shall we change into simple? Yes, the answer is the man is too dishonest to speak the truth. Now I am writing the answer. Dear learners, if any complex sentence there is so that when at the time of changing complex to simple, you have to write before so that, and you have to write to instead of so to, can, could, may, might, plus remaining part of the sentence. Let gives the answer. He worked hard to prosper in life. I hope understand the simple sentence. Dear learners, let's give another example. We eat so that we may live. আমরা খাই যাতে আমরা বাঁচতে পারি। Can you answer the sentence? অর্থাৎ how shall we change the complex sentence into simple sentence? Yes, the answer will be he eat to live. Dear learners, if any complex sentence there is if and the answer the sentence is negative, you have to write without instead of if to not. Next, you have to write ing with the main verb of subordinate clause plus remaining part of the sentence. Dear learners, look at the answer. Dear learners, without working hard, you will not prosper in life. I hope understand the complex sentence, how to change into simple sentence. Let's give another example. If you do not read more, you will fail. যদি তুমি অধিক না পড়ো তুমি ফেল করবে। Can you answer the sentence? Yes, the answer will be without reading more you will fail. Look at the whiteboard, the answer. Without reading more, you will fail. If any complex sentence there is if and the sentence is affirmative, at the time of changing complex to simple, you have to write by in lieu of if plus if and subject Next, you have to write ing with the main verb of subordinate clause plus the remaining part of the complex sentence. Dear learners, look at the answer by working hard. You can succeed in life. I hope understand the simple sentence. Dear learners, let's give another example. The example is, if you love the youngers, they will respect you. তুমি যদি ছোটদেরকে ভালোবাসো তারা তোমাকে শ্রদ্ধা করবে। Can you tell any student how will you the complex sentence into simple sentence? Yes, the answer will be, by loving the youngers, they will respect. Dear learner, if any complex sentence there is relative pronoun who, whose, that after object, at the time of changing complex to simple, you have to write before part of the relative pronoun, and next you have to omit relative pronoun in this sentence, that is relative pronoun that you have to omit and write ing with the main verb of subordinate clause plus remaining part of the sentence. Dear learners, look at the answer this sentence. Dear learners, look at the answer. The writer lived in a cabin belonging the orphanage. I hope understand the simple sentence. Let's give another example. The boy, my dear students, it is another rules. If any complex sentence there is relative pronoun and there is adjective after relative pronoun, at the time of changing the complex sentence into simple sentence, you have to write a article a n instead of article the plus article plus subject. Next you have to write remaining part of the sentence. Dear learners, how shall we change the sentence? Look at the answer. An industrious boy can in life, একজন পরিশ্রমী বালক জীবনে উন্নতি করতে পারে। Dear learners, why have I written here n? I have written here n because industrious is an adjective. Beginning letter is vowel, so I have written here n. If the beginning letter is consonant, I would write here a. I hope you have understood the answer. Dear learners, let's give another example. The girl is meritorious can make a good result. Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be a meritorious girl can make a good result. Thank you. A The answer is the meritorious girl can make a good result. Thank you very much, dear learners. I hope you will practice the rules, how to a complex sentence, how to change into simple sentence. Thank you all.